Okay, so let's try to insert a media and a ribbon to our desktop barcode printer. Okay, so first is we have the ribbon core adapters. Okay. Then the ribbon. Okay, so let's attach the ribbon to the ribbon core adapters. Okay, so you insert it in the hole of the media core. That. The upper one. Okay, so take note of this. So this is the ribbon supply spindle. So this is where the unused ribbon is placed. And above it is the take-up spindle, the ribbon take-up spindle. So this is where you put the used, or this is where the used ribbon. Okay, and take note for the ribbon. Make sure that the glossy part, it's inside. Okay, so let's put the ribbon in the okay, so as you can see, the glossy part is in the back part, not in the front part. Okay. And roll the take-up spindle to make sure that all the used part of the ribbon are in the take-up spindle. Okay. So align the ribbon, make sure it's okay. Okay. Next is the roll. The sticker roll. Okay. So place the label media, the roll holder. Then push the media under both of the media guide. So here are the media guides. Okay. Okay, then close the printer. Okay. Then for media calibration, so you need to press the media feed or the advanced button, hold it and release it after the status light flashes twice. So let's try. Okay, so as you can see, it's calibrated. See?